Welcome to this tutorial. Here I'm going to walk you through how you can download and install iTunes on your Windows PC. Please, if you have not subscribed that channel, like the video and also share with your friends. If you have any question, use the comment section. If you want to know more about how to flash phone, please check the link on the description. That link will take you to my course. It's almost free and they are going to gain more. So you type iTunes downloads here. This is the iTunes, or this is the Apple website. So let's open that. It said download the latest version from the Micro Store. In case you don't have a Micro Store account, then you can download direct. So let's go back to the search again and check whether we can download direct without using a Microsoft account. But if you have, you go ahead and download it and use it. So scroll down. So let's use this one. So it supports apple.com. We open it. They say download and use iTunes for Windows 10. So this is Windows 10, but it can also work for 7 and 8. Okay, here it says download iTunes for Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 10 32-bit. Before I go ahead, let me check the bit which my system is. Now this is a 64-bit operating system. So I've seen it, so I'm going to download the 64-bit. Otherwise, it's not going to work after downloading. So the bit must be the same. And most time, 64-bit operating system is preferable, well, depending on what you use it for. Most of my systems are on 64-bit. Both Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 11 are on 64-bit. So, but the choice is yours. So it's downloading about something percent now. Good, it has downloaded, finish. So what you do, let's locate the folder where it is, or you can run it direct from here. We have started installing. Wait for it to finish depending on the speed and configuration of your system. That will determine the time it's going to take. If you have any question, please use the comment section. I untick use iTunes as the default and automatic updates. You can leave that. Wait for it to finish your installation. Good. Installation is done, so you can now use the iTunes and do whatever you want to do. Watch out of my video, you see what you can use the iTunes and do. So it's saying I should restart, so I don't want to restart now, but you can restart your system. So the choice is yours. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, use the comment section. If you want to know more about how to flash phone, then check the course on the description below. Like and share the video. Thank you.